This is the Hermes OP H bangle unboxing. This is ordered online, so it comes in a beautiful packaging. It's very discreet. It's very simple. When you open it up, it comes in a white box, and it has some beautiful writing on it, just saying hello. It has its signature orange H box sitting right in the middle. Everything is monogrammed with the Hermes logo. So if you can see here, it comes with some paperwork. As you can see, a little simple band. It comes with a little blank card. If you can see here, it's just embossed with an Hermes H, and it's a blank card. It comes with an authenticity card. It also has your receipt, and it also comes with a little perfume sample. So this perfume sample is just one of their latest fragrances. And here is the little orange box. So we're going to remove the ribbon, and inside the orange box is a beautiful little pouch. And it comes with a little just care card for the bracelet. It gives you instructions on how to care and store the bracelet, you know, just the basics. This is just a little booklet. So if you can see here, the pouch itself has this gorgeous two-tone fabric, and the fabric is embossed with these zigzag pattern, and it took the absolute hardest time for my camera to actually pick up the bracelet. So you will see it on different backgrounds. Right here is a gorgeous, gorgeous black and gold bracelet. But it has these beautiful little H's that go from a thin to thick variation. And it's all in black enamel and gold. It is absolutely stunning, and here it is on a wrist, just kind of being how it is worn. It is just a very simple bracelet. It comes in 3 different sizes, I believe, so you can just order in whatever wrist size you are. Hermes has a wonderful line of enamel and gold jewelry, so this is just their perfectly stunning bracelet. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please do subscribe. We have videos coming out every week, so make sure to check them out. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.